everyone, I'm Subhash Bhakt and you're watching SBIT Online. So guys, in this video you will see unboxing of iPad 11 Pro 3rd generation Wi-Fi plus cellular. This is the device and it has 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. So let's start. iPad 8 Pro 8 GB 256 GB. So wow, this is iPad Air 11 inches 3rd generation iPad, and it has 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. This is Wi-Fi plus cellular. And what is the accessories? Accessories are this is menu, and this is charger with cable. This is iPad Air 11 inches 3rd generation, 8 GB 256 GB internal storage iPad. Namaste. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel to see new gadgets unboxing. Thank you. मस्त iPad है, कैमरा भी है, LED फ्लैश है, बैक फ्रंट और बिल्कुल लाइट वेट है.